You are studying a lot but still not getting the marks, your preparation and you deserve. Syllabus is almost done but confidence is zero. Is this you? Then listen carefully. The problem is not your hard work. The problem is something else and no one really talks about it. So, ICSE students today are not lazy. They are overloaded with lots of books, with lots of subjects, teachers, many YouTube videos, many resources, and at the end, they have only one brain. You start one chapter, then remember another chapter. Then panic, then scroll, then guilt. Nothing else. And at night, you feel, I studied the whole day, but nothing actually happened. That's what the ICSE truth is. And let me tell you one bold truth too. ICSE exams don't reward you who studies the most. ICSE exams reward that who studies with clarity. Okay. And clarity does not come from timetables, motivation, or pressure and motivational reels or videos. It comes from the right mindset. Are you getting my point? It comes from the right mindset. And the biggest mistake which ICSE students are making right now, before 15 to 20 days of the exam, that they are trying to fix everything. Like complete the whole chapter, perfect concentration with zero distraction, full syllabus revision, like topper level answers, no stress, all at one time and all together. That's not discipline, that's pressure which you are falling upon you. And it does not mean that you will complete everything at just one point. Boards are not won by doing everything at once or anything else. They are won by doing the right things calmly, clearly, and confidently. So, that is why many students say that I am working hard, I have studied everything, but marks are not improving. Because effort without direction exhausts a lot. It didn't give you results, it just give you stress and a lot of exhaustion. And direction, let me tell you from where it comes. It comes from mindset shift, which you are trying to do day by day, but you are not able to. Now let us talk about mindset, because this is where marks actually start. Because mindset is not about being positive all the time, watching motivational reels, videos, and all those. That is not actually mindset. Mindset is about how you think while study, what you study, and how you study. So from today onwards, just shift your mindset from I have to finish everything, others are studying more than me, toppers are getting a lot of marks, time is running out, time bilkul bhi nahi hai, etc. etc. To I will do what matters for boards. You have to change that to what matters for boards. That repeat the right things. After, stay calm and consistent. This is what you have to shift your mindset towards. Okay, now let me tell you one rule that I want you to follow. That every time when you sit to study from today onwards or after just watching this video, just ask yourself one question. Will this, whatever I'm studying and all, learning, revising, whatever, will this help me to score marks in the exam? Are they important? Is this the thing that only comes? Is this the thing with repeat? Like that kind of. And if your answer will be yes, so do that thing properly with full concentration without any distraction. And if your answer is no, so stop feeling guilty about it. Just move to the another part. Move to the another question, answer or chapter, subject, anything. But do it properly. Now you don't need extreme discipline. Let me tell you, extreme discipline किसी में भी नहीं आया आज तक. वो तो बहुत महान वो होते हैं जिनमें आ जाता है, but we are not like that. Extreme discipline हमें नहीं चाहिए. You need perfect direction. No need to be like, मतलब जितना बोलते हैं ना कि इतने घंटे पढ़ो उतना घंटे, no, that does not matter. घंटे पढ़ना is not matter. जितना पढ़ रहे हो वो आपके दिमाग में जा रहा है, that matters a lot. So that's why you need direction. So stop measuring preparation, your preparation of doing answer writing and everything, whatever you study, by hours, chapters, or comparison with others. No, stop measuring by this. You have to measure your study, your preparation by clarity. That is, you are doing all the things is clear. I have clear everything, or just I have read it and just rectification कर रखा है. Then recall करने से उसको measure करो that yes, I have recalled everything and I know this very well. Confidence लेकर आओ just while you are writing. When you are writing, when you are answering the question, after that when you see the real answer and when both answers get matched, that time the confidence level boost your scores as well. वो जो confidence होता है ना वो आपका score boost करता है. And that is why most of the toppers used PYQs and a lot of things to practice at the time they are not giving the exam. And उसके बाद में they went on the exam hall and फिर वो अच्छे से पढ़ के, मतलब जो अच्छे से पढ़ा हुआ है उसको अच्छे से exam में perform करते हैं. That is the thing. यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट वाइल प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने मतलब एग्जाम दे दिया उस टाइम पर मतलब यार नहीं हुआ ऐसा हुआ वैसा. यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. और वो कॉन्फिडेंस तभी आएगा जब यू विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस, यू विल प्रैक्टिस द क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल. क्योंकि कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स फ्रॉम दैट ओनली. उसके अलावा कहीं से कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आने वाला. जो बोलते हैं ना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है, कैसे करेंगे, क्या होगा, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, ऑल लॉट मोर थिंग्स. मोटिवेशन दे दो भाई. मोटिवेशन कॉन्फिडेंस से ही आता है. मोटिवेशन कहीं से उड़ के नहीं आ सकता है. मोटिवेशन तभी आएगा जब आप लोग कुछ प्रैक्टिस करोगे, कुछ आपको लगे कि हाँ मैंने ये कर लिया है, तब मोटिवेशन आता है. ठीक है. And this is why exactly I started ICSC 90% Reality Playbook. This is a series, this is a course which you have to follow from this video only. This is the episode 1 of this series. And let me give you some description of that this is a practical, no panic series, okay, for students who want clarity, not confusion kind of things, okay. No fake motivation are going to be there, like nothing fake kind of, no over promising कि ये आएगा ही आएगा, 90% confirm है, ऐसा कुछ. No. Only board oriented strategy are going to be there, and only the things which are relevant for you for now are going to be there in that series, okay. By the way, that series episode 2 is already live, okay. I have uploaded skip the chapters without losing the marks video, and I got a lot of support from you guys, so thank you so much for that video. I have explained what to skip, what chapters you can skip without losing marks. And let me give you a quick disclaimer. Skipping the chapters is not like skipping the full. You have to give the chapters less priority. Skipping means less priority. You have to give those chapters less priority. You have to do only those chapters which return every time, like which repeat in every PYQs in every subject and kind of, okay. So if you haven't watched that video episode 2 yet, so you can go and watch that out after this video. The link is in the description, and you can watch from the I button too. It was all about your confidence, your motivation kind of. This video was full of confidence, okay. But what you actually have to do, I have already spoken about it, okay. And in the next episodes of ICC 90% Reality Playbook, we will cover a lot of things. First of all, we are going to cover what to focus on for maximum marks, okay. Then second, episode 4 के लिए for episode 4 I will be talking about answer writing and paper presentation. That is very 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 helpful video for every subject, not for one or two, for every subject. And for episode 5 I am going to talk about PYQs reality, and most important PYQs. That is really very important. And last but not the least, the episode 6 will be your final strategy for ICSC class 10th without panic, okay. So all these episodes are going to be very 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 helpful for you. So please stay tuned with me till all the episodes, and just follow all the tips calmly, step by step, so that everything would be cleared. Let me give you one small quick kind of tip, that don't jump to random videos, okay. Follow the series step by step. So please do not forget to like my video if it helped you, and follow the series. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below that what in which of the things are there which you are feeling like nahi ho pa raha hai, or else you are getting some kind of doubts or anything. You can comment on any video. I will give you a reply in that, okay. So एंड में मैं आपको एक इमोशनल मोटिवेशनल काइंड ऑफ चीज़ बताना चाह रही हूँ, दैट इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग लेट, दैट बहुत सारा बचा है, कन्फ्यूजन बहुत सारी है, मेरा सिलेबस इतना बचा है, लॉट ऑफ मोर. सो यू आर नॉट लेट. You already have a plenty of time. It's only 15 days, but 15 days are more than enough to complete everything for ICSE, because already आप लोग पूरे साल बहुत कुछ पढ़ चुके हो, and अभी के लिए you need only high priority topics, revision things and some PYQs, and then you are done. And pre-boards, if pre-boards didn't go well, it's okay. Pre-boards marks doesn't matter. बोर्ड्स में आप कैसा परफॉर्म करते हो वो आपको पूछा जाता है इन इंटरव्यूज एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, ठीक है. प्री बोर्ड्स के मार्क्स कोई नहीं पूछता है. तो प्लीज़ जितने भी मेरे पास लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स व्हिच आर कमिंग ऑन माय चैनल दैट प्री बोर्ड्स में अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए, प्री बोर्ड्स में ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. प्री बोर्ड्स मार्क्स डजंट मैटर दैट यू आर स्कोरिंग वेल और नॉट, ठीक है. इफ़ यू आर स्कैर्ड, सो इट्स नॉर्मल. बोर्ड्स डोंट नीड कि हाँ आपको पूरा का पूरा परफेक्शन चाहिए. दे जस्ट नीड द प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड. वो सिर्फ आपको ये मतलब बोर्ड्स आर लाइक आपके लिए एक थोड़ा सा टर्निंग पॉइंट होती है, दैट येस यू आर एल्डर नाउ, ओके. एल्डर होकर जो आप चीज़ बता सकते हो वो एक तरह से होता है, ठीक है. यू आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली सीरियसली इस सीरीज़ को फॉलो करने वाले हो, तो कमेंट डाउन प्ले बुक. ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. आई एम हियर विथ यू. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी देयर ऑन दिस चैनल, ऑलरेडी हैज़ बीन. सो येस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.